Hi guys, this is Peugeot 307SW from 2005 and today I'm going to show you how to clean these pockets here that usually get a lot of debris while you drive. So if we take a look at it closer, the pockets are here, that's the main one. There's also one space here underneath, right underneath this part of the cover that also gets a lot of debris and has a small drain hole, and then often there's water stuck there. Yeah, let's get to it. So first of all, you want to remove the wipers. So we undo one here and one there. And now we can remove the wipers. So to do it correctly, you press here and then you lift this part out, like that. And the second thing here, you press it, you maneuver it out. Now we take a screwdriver and here we press this pin in, and now we can remove it from its place. And you see, this is how it works. And the same when you put it in, you put in this part first and then you press this one in place to lock it. Alright, let's take the other one. Okay, and now we can remove this plastic cover. Starting gently, you need to remove it from under the rubber there. Same here. Okay, and now this is removed. And now you have good access to both of the pockets. Okay, so now that we have removed the cover, you can see there are two pockets here. One here, less likely to get debris because of the big drain hole there. And the second one there. Hope you see. And this is the place where you will most often get debris because the drain hole is much smaller, and I'm going to show it to you very soon. So now let's put the light here. Now let me get this debris out, and you can see there, here, this is your drain hole. So it might be problematic for all the debris to go there, and therefore you get a pile of this inside. And then you get water inside standing there. In the worst case, when it gets completely clogged, the water is just standing in this area and not draining. Or for example, when it rains for a couple of days. Okay, before we start to assemble the cover back, it's good to take care of any plastic elements that you might lose. There's one there, there's one here, and there's one here in the middle that you need to put in place before installation of the cover. And now it's time for the cover. So we put it in place. And gently, no rush, we put it under the rubber here. And then we also press this part in place. On the sides there's this part that you need to fit. On the back of the windshield there's a small groove, so it's well possible to do it so that it, oh, you see, now it's nice and tight with the windshield. And yeah, and then we do the same here. You hear how it clicks in place? This is what you want. Okay. And now we secure it. One. Second one. And then the wipers. One here. One there. You can align it nicely before you torque it. And then take the nuts and we reinstall it back. Doesn't need to be very tight. Of course, you don't leave it loose. Okay, and that's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and if you'd like to see more Peugeot 307, check my channel out. I've got plenty of videos about this car, and good luck with your Peugeot.